Okay, this video is to tell you and show you how you do a contractor's bid. So all of a sudden all you have to do is click on property information, go up to your area where you're going to do your your file, click on your file, and then you have the best way to do is once you've got your SOR done, you have to have information in the SOR to create the contractor's bid. So you've got that done, and now you go over to and click over here to click the selection. Click on contractor's bid. Contractor's bid will pop up. It's a little slow, but contractor's bid, and then you might want to increase it, say, to 100%. Now these areas here are blank, but they won't be when you generate the PDF. So that these areas here can be modified. These are calculation fields here, and this will not populate. It's just a glitch in the system right at the moment. We got to get it fixed. So anyhow, these will populate once you tab the contractor tabs out of this and puts their numbers in here, tabs out of it, put their numbers in here, tabs out of it. That will work. To create a PDF, you go up here, export to PDF, and this screen here will pop up. You can choose where to put this. I'm going to put it on my desktop so it's easy, and there's a contractor bid already there, so I'm going to just replace that. So I'm going to say click Save. Yes. And now it's been done. Do you want to view the contractor's bid? Okay, for this we'll do that. Show you what it does. And so then the PDF is generated. And notice these areas here are blued. Well, then you can go in here, the contractor can, that is, and put in 800, hit the tab button, and you notice it calculates. And the same way it does here. So this is how he does his bid. And then clicks the tab button and it calculates. Now these numbers here he's going to have to keep track of because it does not as yet does not do anything with it yet. But he can go up and put his name, his email address, and everything like that. And then he would go up to here and save as a PDF. And then with his numbers on it and everything like that, and then he will then be able to send that to you. So okay, there, that's his thing. And then so let's get out of here, and I'll show you how to get that onto a report. Here's click to create the report here. Notice I've got the contractor's bid up here. You create a new package, or you go to here to edit it and rename it, whatever you want. I'm going to put the cover sheet, the property information, homeowner's contractor agreement, and I'm going to put the final contractor's bid. Now notice this is green right now. I'm going to go in here and I'll show you. It will be red originally. But you go into there, the desktop, you go in and say, here's the contractor's bid. You click on the contractor's bid that you want. You can, it'll show it here. Click open. It is now attached to this package. You go over to the add additional files and create PDF report. It will then add it to the report. I put this in here, that's not supposed to be there. So anyhow, you can also, as you can see, if you want to bring in like a bid on repairs, kind of sheet or something like that, you can bring something else. Here's I don't know, I've got some other things. Here's count history. Say that it was a bid repair, something like that, that you had made up, and it's maybe in a PDF. You have to have it in a PDF. Create it in Word, do whatever you need to do, but it's a special thing. You can bring that to the top. You can bring that down to the bottom. Now we're gonna create this whole package. I'm gonna just delete that so the package is clean. But okay, this here is your bid. So you go up here, you click Final PDF Report. Do not secure it. Do not secure this. It's secured. It's an encryption government encryption, and you cannot modify it if it's encrypted. So you can't. So don't click yes. Click no on a contractor's bid, and there's your bid. So you've got your cover sheet, you got your property information, you've got the homeowner's contractor agreement for them, and your final bid. And as you can see, you cannot modify this thing. So that's kind of how it works, and all you have to do then is save this someplace as a PDF, or save it someplace, and then you can attach it to an email, do whatever you want to do with it. I mean, if you attach it to an email, it'll allow it to do all kinds of really good stuff to it. There's a couple things you can do in here. You can attach it to an email, attach it here, create PDFs, all kinds of good stuff. So anyhow, that's how it works.